Welcome to the Paige Family Homestead. My name's Peggy, and today we're making pub-style dill pickle wings, chicken wings. Come on in, let's get them done. Okay, so like we said, we're going to be making the dill pickle roasted chicken wings for a nice little snack when the guys get back from their bike ride. But they need to marinate in this pickle juice for 2 to 4 hours. So I'm just going to homemade pickles, so I know the brine's good. And with the flavors we love, the proper amount of dill for us and garlic. Don't worry, these are going for another recipe. We'll use these up. My hands are clean. I've removed the wing tip from the wings. I had to separate them. As I finished the last one, I thought, I should have brought them. You just cut at the bone joint. It's really not hard. And then these tips, you never see them in the restaurant, right, or at the pub. I save them. That bag is going into the freezer, and the next time I make a nice chicken broth, in they go. Not wasting that. So, I'm just going to let this soak in the brine for 2 to 4 hours in the fridge. Realistically, probably 2 hours. And it's a nice strong brine because we like nice garlicky, dilly pickles. So, in it goes. These are going to be so good. The guys are going to like them. Andy doesn't like warm chicken as a rule. Very, very few dishes, including wings. So I want to have these all marinated and ready to go in the oven for when they get back from their ride. So we'll catch you when we begin the next step. So before we go any further, these sat in the bag in the fridge with the pickle juice for 2 hours. Our nephew stopped in and said he'd be joining us tonight. So we grabbed 10 more real quick and threw them in and added the brine. So 10 of them have sat, 10 or more actually, have sat in the brine for 2 hours, 3 hours, and the other for an hour. So we'll see if we can, I mean, obviously, the longer you leave them, the better they're going to be. So I took them out, and it's the recipe. Oh, by the way, Viola Hayward, Miss Viola Hayward, thank you. She recommended this recipe for us, and we love those deep fried dill pickles and stuff like that. So why wouldn't we try these? So back to her recipe. At this point, when I took them out of the bag, wanted me to rinse them and then dry them off. And I thought, why am I going to rinse all that beautiful flavor? No. So, I mean, there's no harm, no foul, right? We'll see. So what we do, we need to make our powders. It didn't really give measurements, and it didn't say how many wings or... So what I'm going to do is wing it. We're just going to put in 2 tablespoons of dill. So I've got 2 tablespoons of dill. Now because these were sitting in the fridge for 3 hours, Andy's back. Surprise! But he had a nice ride.
Mm-hmm. It was nice, yep.
So what I'm doing is, this was from my garden, so I'm just breaking up any stalks that might be in there. They're a little big, because I didn't grind it down. I just took it off the plant, put it in the bag, and kind of roughed the bag up to turn it into powdery. That's what's nice about home drying. Oh, it smells so good. I could just do that forever. Okay, like I said, we're winging it.
Sure seemed like it.
I'm going to put in, we love garlic too, I'm going to put in 1 3/4 tablespoons of garlic powder. We don't have our own anymore. I don't want to put in a lot of salt because we really cut Andy back. So
This is my fault.
This is no, well, it's healthier
I
for
know.
everybody, but this is for 20 wings, so it should be okay. And pepper. Now, I mean, you could just throw anything you want in there, but I want the dill to be what's really tasted, right? Just give me a minute here. The dill is the hero in these. I got a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I was kind of wondering if that would be too much, but there's 20 wings, so.
Yeah.
Look at this. Doesn't that smell good? Now, I'm preheating the oven. The recipe did say at 425 for, what was it, 20 minutes, and then to take them out and turn them for 15 to 20 more. Whenever we have our oven on for 425, it sets off the fire alarm and our dog's gonna have a cardiac arrest. So I just bring the temp down to 400, right? If it makes a big difference, it's just gonna be a few minutes in cooking time. We can determine that on the brownness. Now this is a small container to be rubbing those in, so I'm gonna go from small to, oh my God, grotesquely large, because I have nothing in between that isn't packed. So I'm gonna pour this in here. It'll give the wings a better chance at getting a good coat. And if I need more, you just saw the recipe. It wasn't hard. So now I'm adding my somewhat dried wings. And I'm going to give them a good shake. We're going to put them on the rack into the preheated oven of 400, which should be 425, guys. But I'm not going to put them in until it's preheated.
Yeah.
Carrots are here because I'm going to pair these with nice freshly washed and, oh, my hands are so arthritic. Washed and sliced long fingers like fries. Juliet, is that what Juliet is? Is that what it's called?
Juliet?
Oh, damn.
Yeah, let go.
Hang on. This is Rubbermaid.
There you go.
I think it's made a lot better than Tupperware. And just kind of kill it.
Yeah.
This is where you call the kids. So is this like you shaking your butter? Shake, shake, shake. Whoa!
No, you didn't see me do that.
Let Peggy in the kitchen.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Well, worth it.
Look at that.
Oh, isn't that
Nice. How's it smell?
Oh, good.
Can't smell from over
I
here.
know. Well, you
I'm
have
a
to
camera
wait.
guy.
You'll have to wait. So now, we just place them on here. Oven's at 338 right now. I should have put it on earlier. It's also making bread day, and I need to make more elderberry syrup for Andy. We are dried out right now. I have the berries, I just need to whip it up. Doesn't take long. Check out the playlist. It's been entered into a playlist for Instapot. Hashtag Let's Instapot. Over at Real Life with Michelle. It's a fabulous recipe, guys, and it just takes minutes.
And it works good.
Well, it's kept you from
I
sickness.
haven't been sick yet.
Touch wood, please. I don't care if it's suspicion or not, just let's not jinx it. So, we're going to have fries, carrot sticks, chicken wings, dill pickle chicken wings.
Yeah.
So, we'll bring you back
Chicken
when
the wing of a chicken prepared to be eaten as food.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was, you know how everybody calls it their
Alexa.
We had to change the name because we have a granddaughter named Alexa Rose, and every time we mentioned her, that thing over there would come on. Did I say her name?
No.
Because we changed it to Echo. And sometimes she just likes the voice in. Hello, Trudeau. Okay, coming back when these are at the halfway point. When we're going to turn them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I have the wings in the oven. And there's 12 minutes left before I turn. So I went to the fridge to look to see do we have any ranch dressing or anything. And because I like to serve the wings with a little bit of a dip. So, no we don't. So I've got a cup of Hellmann's mayonnaise. I love just making our own flavors. This one I'm going to flavor with, have you guessed? Yep, dill. I'm going to put as much as I can, equal amounts, sour cream.
Is that the same sour cream we had last year? Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Oh, it must be. I think I'll make this special for you. And Parmesan powdered cheese.
Oh, yeah.
How much?
Whatever your likeness is.
Break it up. I'm glad I'm doing this and not Andy.
Man tool, look at that. Bang, 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 man tool.
About that much. Whatever. We're inventing. We're just dumping stuff in. And I've only got a little bit of Worcestershire sauce left. So that's all we're going to put in. About that much. Because that's all I have.
No, it's not.
So it worked. Well, I know. It's all I have here. Little jigger. Jigger of a real lemon. And did we put pepper? No.
Yeah, I think it didn't.
No. So I think you didn't.
I don't know.
Put that much?
Sure.
Okay. I'm not putting salt. We've already got salt in the birds, so
Yeah. The boy has salt.
if you need salt, you can put your fake salt in, okay?
Yeah, that's right.
So I just want to take out some of these bigger pieces. I can crunch them with the mortar pedestal.
Yep.
Put in about this much dill. Oh, it smells
It does, I can smell it from here.
Oh, mix this all up. Since you screamed out, oh, man tool, what are you going to say now? Never mind. No, that was so silly of me. I saved it. And taste.
Taste it. Good? Needs salt, right?
I'm being critical. Needs a little more dill.
Oh no, she's being critical.
And you know what? It does need salt. But I'm not going to. I don't care.
Just show them. Yeah.
I'm showing you.
Yeah. You don't need it because we can put it on later.
Now, the reason I'm making this now is I'd like all these flavors to marry. So we have 3 people for dinner. Getting my carrot sticks ready. Fries will go in after the chicken comes out because Andy does like his chicken a little cooled.
Yeah.
He's a little spoiled man. And I love it. Sometimes. Here we go. So I'm going to pop these in the fridge.
Wouldn't it be easier just to set them in?
What?
Wouldn't it be easier just to set them in?
Oh my, you're on a roll.
I am.
It's going to grind up a little fresh.
Your hands are going.
A little fresh dill. On the top. Now, does that not look pub approved, guys? Quarantine be darned.
Nope, I haven't got a beer there. Can't be pub approved.
Well, you can do that when you sit down. I'm going to put these in the fridge. We have 8 minutes. I'll bring you back when we turn the meat over. See you in 8. So the alarm buzzer went. I moved it up to 425. It's not browning as much as I'd like, so I just hope that thing... Did you pull the battery?
I pulled it out, yeah.
Yay! So there won't be a problem.
No.
So I'm going to put it back in for 15 minutes. Check them again. But oh, I wish you could smell this house.
Smells like a garlic house.
Oh no, it doesn't.
We got no problems with vampires, so we're good.
Dill. You can smell the dill. So I'm going to put these in, bring you back when they're done. Catch you in a few.
Okay. Welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm here for test taster today. So I think because I get to taste one, better put one on. Okay.
The house smells awesome.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Our nephew doesn't want to be in the video, so we're doing this before we sit for
Look
supper.
at this. You see this in 3D? Wah, wah. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, nice.
It is.
Garlicky, yes. I mean, dilly.
You can taste the garlic, but the dill's the strong one.
Double dip.
It's your dish. Not the wings, the dip. So they're good for dinner. We'll serve them up with fries and carrot sticks.
Very good.
All right. It's pub night here at the Paige house.
I gotta get a beer.
Okay.
Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to us. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell if you want more videos coming your way. Leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think of the video. And have a great day. Stay safe.